This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. It is for March 18th, 2021. I want to bring back a discussion, a topic I had mentioned in a previous video. And the video is from February the 6th. So I'm going to link this video. I want to discuss this again. I feel there's a need to mention this in my opinion. So I think what the market is doing is the market is playing games in a sense that all these stocks that were moving in February were actually setting the stage for a potential market move down. And what I think these stocks are doing, as I mentioned in this prior video, is they are making those who would traditionally want to go short to rethink going short. And actually, it might be the opportune time to go short. But the market seems to want to stop you from doing that. And this GameStop, the move, in my opinion, was intended to scare those who would want to go short just when the market is primed to go down. So this big move here is designed, in my opinion, to reinforce deep in the minds of traders that shorting is not a good idea. And that tells me that that actually might suggest the opposite might be what one would need to do in the weeks and months ahead. Just my thought. Now, we've seen the stock come back and try and break out. And as of this instant, we see a failed weekly breakout. Now, I have to say, these are massive moves. We're talking about here trading at 20, going to 475, going back to about 30, and then back to 350, all within 6 weeks or so. This is so irrational. It makes no sense in my opinion. But I think it is designed to do what I'm talking about here is it's Wall Street's predictive programming. They do not want you to short the market just as the market is due to be rewarding those who take the risk of going short. That's my opinion. So here we see a failed breakout. Go back to the chart. So that in itself is a red flag. And I guess it needs a red flag demarcation. All right. So we can see unless it breaks out successfully above the prior weekly closing high, this instrument is not going to go much higher. If we take a look at the RSI, in my opinion, also, the RSI is giving us this backtest failure area. Something I've been talking about in recent videos. This is a rejection point. And as long as it is trading below that level, then the indication and the suggestion is that lower prices are to be expected, or at least the odds for lower prices are higher. It would take movement above this line for there to be a continued push and another breakout attempt. So right now, that backtest line is suggesting that this is where, at least from a week-to-week perspective, the stock is back to pointing down. And again, even the most recent move is designed to reinforce to traders that shorting is a bad idea. Because this move from here to here, again, is another short squeeze. So personally, I would not listen to what the market is saying. The market is full of tricks. We all know that. All right. If we take a look here at the other way of looking at this is take a look at this breakpoint of the RSI, and we can see that that brought a gigantuan drop. Take that breakpoint, draw a uniformity line. So this breakpoint right there. And based on my uniformity principle, again, the RSI is being rejected exactly where we saw the previous break. So that is consistent. And of course, it is coming with uniform activity rejection right there. Now, I need to say that if there's going to be a massive sell-off in this stock, which would make sense because it is very unstable behavior, it would need a break of this RSI lows line. So down the road, for there to be a strong, sustained sell signal, this line would have to break. And again, it is my feeling and strong opinion that the market is actually using these types of short squeezes to stop people from taking advantage of an impending market drop. I encourage you to watch the prior video from early February where I'm talking about Wall Street's predictive programming. That link is going to be in the description of this very video. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Love light, light love. Namaste.